Hello there, it's Alek. Have you ever thought about creating your own website but don't know where to start? Well, stick around because I've got something just for you. Welcome to my channel, the perfect place to learn how to create your own website using WordPress. It's a powerful tool to help you establish your online presence without hustle. But if you're new to it, it can be overwhelming to dive right in. That's why I'm here to help you simplify the process. I've compiled a collection of easy to follow tutorials covering everything you need to know to build a website that looks professional and functions flawlessly. Imagine your internet corner tailored to your unique vision and goals. Whether you are a blogger, entrepreneur, artist, or small business owner, you don't need to be a tech genius to make it happen. With my step-by-step guidance, you will be amazed at how quickly you can transform your ideas into a stunning website that stands out from the crowd. So here is the deal. Hit the subscribe button below to stay updated on all my latest tutorials. Let's turn your website dreams into reality one click at a time. Subscribe now and let's get started.